Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 3rd of January 2020. Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you all a successful year ahead. Um, Today, as stated earlier in our first strategy, we'll be dropping two strategies today. This is the second one. We'll drop one on the first channel on YouTube and the second one on the second channel on YouTube. These are channel links. This is the first channel and this is the second channel. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account. So all these information will be posted on the video description on YouTube as well. So these are the rules for this strategy. These are the rules, and for those who need a binary options timer, we've uploaded it on our forum. This is a link to download a free binary options timer. You'll be needing the timer for our first strategy in case you want to use the first strategy. So just check our forum to download it freely. So let's get back to the trading. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button. So I've logged into the trading platform. Make sure you are using the webtrader. After signing up for a trading account, just use the webtrader. So here we're going to be trading the volatility 25 index. I'll be trading the digits over and digits under simultaneously. We will trade 6 times. So I'm going to change this to digits, and the first trade will be digits over. So digits over, the last digits will be 2, then the tick will be 2 as well. So we're going for trade number 1. We'll click on I'm going to be staking 10 USD right here. So I click on purchase there. So as you can see, we won the first trade. So the second trade, we change this to digits under, then we'll choose 9. The tick remains the same. We click on purchase again. I'm not staking high right here, so our profit may be a bit low, but the strategy is 100% guaranteed. So that's the second trade. We're going for trade number 3. We'll change this again to digits over, then we'll change this to 2 again. Then we'll click on purchase for the third trade. Remember, we are trading 6 times. That's our third trade. So you can see we won the third trade. We are going for the fourth trade. So we change this again to digits under, then we change this to 9 again, and we click on purchase. The tick remains the same. So that's our fourth trade. After this, we go for the fifth trade. So you can see we won the fourth trade. We are going for the fifth trade. You change this to digits over again, then you change the last digits to 2, then you click on purchase again. That's our fifth trade. Let's wait for the outcome before we go for the final trade. So as you can see, we won the fifth trade. So we're going for the sixth trade, which will be the last trade. We'll change this again to digits under, then we'll change this to 9, then we'll click on purchase. That's our final trade. Let's wait for the outcome. So you can see we won all the 6 trades. Don't trade more than that. So let's see what we'll be able to make in about few minutes. So we started with 7117892. So we have 71190. Sorry, 71190.32 minus 71178.92. So in about a few minutes we made 11.40. It's maybe little, but at least we made profits. So if you stake higher, you will make more. Thanks for watching. Bye.